What's up guys, Earl here of Tech, and today we have another smart lock that we're going to test out. We've done quite a handful of these in the past, so we're pretty much familiar of what to expect. This time it's the Soho smart lock from We.Lock. Smart locks has been around from quite some time now and mostly available in European and US markets, and they come in different form factors. The one we got is compatible with the integrated door locking system, while there's another model that works for a separate or independent deadbolt. So checking out what's inside the box, there are tons of documentations here which you'll need to really read to be able to install the lock properly. Then we have the RFID keys, which comes in 3 pieces, the Allen screw which you will need for assembly, and then a large metal knob which is the Soho lock itself. And lastly, there's a gel case here for the keypad, which was initially a surprise, but we realized it's a good idea to keep the knob protected by the elements like dust or water from a heavy downpour. The lock is powered by AAA batteries that can be accessed from the back side of the knob. Once turned on, you have the default passcode you can use to activate the lock and immediately change the code to your liking. Once that's done, which is pretty easy by the way, it's time to install the lock to the door. Unfortunately, all our existing door locks at home and in our studio are not compatible with the smart lock, but we still managed to test it out. If you are curious to see how to install it, here's a quick clip we borrowed that shows how easy it is to install to the door. Another way to control the lock is via Bluetooth. Simply install the Android or iOS app on your phone by following the link on the QR code found on the manual, then continue by adding a new device to the app via QR code found on the knob and activating the device ID. It's that easy and fast, and you can now lock and unlock the doorknob with your smartphone. The third way to access the lock is via the RFID keys called IC cards. To add the IC card, simply go into the admin mode and select the card options to associate the IC cards to the lock one by one. It's that simple. Each IC card has a printed code that you will need if you want to delete access to the card, just in case you lost any of them. Well, that was easier than we thought. If you had a compatible door lock, we would have been using the smart lock a long time ago. Nonetheless, this turned out to be quick and easy to do. Just don't forget to check on the manual on your first go. After that, it seems to be pretty straightforward. The Soho We.Lock smart lock retails for about $159 and is available on online stores, including their website welockglobal.com. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Rel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.